There's one sentence I hear almost more than any other. I don't have time for this right now. And every time I hear it, it makes me smile because it tells me everything I need to know. Restaurants don't have idle time. There's always a shift that's about to start, or a shift that's about to end, or getting ready for a rush, or recovering from a rush. Between staffing, inventory, training, vendors, and guests, there's never really a moment when a restaurant owner-operator has time to say, okay, now let's rethink systems. So when someone says they're too busy, they're not resisting change. They're protecting the floor. They're maintaining daily operations. And I get it. After years of watching operations up close, I've noticed something. When a restaurant is too busy, it means people are having to do extra work just to keep things running. Answering questions, clarifying menus, correcting misunderstandings, repeating information that you already explained yesterday or 15 minutes ago in pre-shift. In other words, it's a normal shift, but busy doesn't necessarily mean things are running efficiently. Usually, it means the opposite. Too busy is rarely about time. It's about risk. No one wants to introduce something new that might slow the team down or add another thing to manage when tickets are flying. That fear is rational, especially in restaurants. Most changes fail because they demand attention. They ask staff to remember something new, explain something extra, manage another interface. And during a rush, anything that adds cognitive load gets rejected immediately. Not out of stubbornness, out of survival. The only changes that really stick in restaurants are the ones that remove work. Not later, not eventually, immediately. When something answers questions before they're even asked, or removes explanations and prevents interruptions, that's when a busy team leans in. Ironically, the busiest restaurants are often the best candidates for system improvements because the friction is visible. You can see where people slow down, where memory gets strained, and where workarounds appear. Those pressure points don't exist in theory. They exist on the floor. Being ready doesn't mean having spare time. It means recognizing patterns that repeat every shift. The same questions, the same explanations, and the same hesitations. That's not a timing issue. That's a system telling you exactly where it needs help. So when a restaurant tells me they're too busy, I don't see resistance. I see honesty. And usually, I hear an operation that's already carrying more than it should. Busy isn't the wrong moment. It's often the clearest signal that the right kind of support would make the biggest difference.